Welcome to the mysterious world of carnivorous plants, where the hunters of the plant kingdom reside. These remarkable species have evolved in nutrient-poor environments, turning them into insect-eating marvels. I will show you some plants that eat insects. Meet the Drosera, also known as the sundew. Its leaves are covered with sticky hairs that trap unsuspecting insects lured by its sweet nectar. The leaves of Drosera are covered in glandular hairs, each tipped with a sticky, glue-like substance. This substance, called mucilage, glistens in the sunlight, resembling dewdrops, hence the name sundew. Insects are attracted to the shiny droplets, mistaking them for water or nectar. Once the insect is firmly trapped, the sundew secretes digestive enzymes onto its prey. These enzymes break down the insect's body into simpler compounds like amino acids and sugars, which the plant can then absorb as nutrients. Behold the nepenthes, the jar-shaped plant. Its slippery interior and enticing liquid trap insects, ensuring they can't escape once they fall in. It's often referred to as tropical pitcher plants or monkey cups. These remarkable plants have evolved unique pitcher-shaped traps that serve as both as a lure and a means of capturing insects. The interior surface or the pitcher is lined with a waxy or slippery coating that makes it difficult for insects to climb out once they enter. The fluid within the pitcher serves several functions. It drowns the trapped insects, preventing their escape. Additionally, it contains digestive enzymes produced by glands within the pitcher walls. These enzymes break down the soft tissues of the prey, such as proteins and sugars, into simpler forms that the plant can absorb as nutrients. The Venus flytrap, a master of timing, waits patiently. When an insect touches its sensitive hairs, it snaps shut in a fraction of a second. The trapping mechanism of the Venus flytrap is highly specialized and consists of two hinged lobes with teeth-like structures along the edges. These lobes form the jaws of the trap. Each lobe has sensitive trigger hairs on its inner surface, and when an insect touches these hairs multiple times within a short period, it triggers the trap to close. Once the trap closes, the teeth-like structures interlock, forming a cage around the prey. The water violet uses its sticky leaves to capture insects, slowly rolling over them to start the digestion process. Insects are attracted to the shiny, moist appearance of the leaves and may mistake them for a source of water or nectar. When an insect lands on the leaf, it becomes stuck to the adhesive secretions. The more the insect struggles, the more it becomes ensnared by the sticky hairs. Once trapped, the plants release digestive enzymes, breaking down the insect into nutrients they can absorb. This is their way of supplementing their diet in places where the soil lacks essential nutrients. Carnivorous plants play a vital role in their ecosystems. They control insect populations and, in turn, provide habitats for other creatures. In the circle of life, these plants have found their niche, thriving where others cannot, and reminding us of the incredible adaptability of nature. Subscribe for fun kids and explore the secret world of carnivorous plants with us. Until next time, keep an eye out for the hidden wonders of nature.